Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we set guys Infinix phone download wallpaper. Friends, we want to set guys Infinix phone download wallpaper guys. So fan, how can you set guys Infinix phone download wallpaper, and fan, how can you use it? So when first of all guys you will have to open guys your phone gallery, and guys you have guys this file, so guys on it. So after on guys you can see guys your phone download images guys, tap on guys phone download images, and once you can see download wallpaper guys I have. So I will take this one wallpaper, and friends I will set. Once you can see the three dot guys, tap here, and guys you will have to click on guys use as, tap here guys. So as you can see guys, your phone wallpaper setting is gallery wallpaper, photo wallpaper, tap here guys. As you can see guys, gallery wallpaper guys, we can set from here. As you want to set guys home and lock screen both of, yes, tap here to both of. As you can see guys, both of wallpaper, home and lock screen guys, set this download wallpaper. So guys you can see. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, bye bye friends.